about to feed the chickens. Hey, chook, 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 chook. Hey, chook, 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 chook. Good morning. Did you get blown away last night? Hey, chook, chook. Watch out. Come on. Hey, chook, 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 chook. Oh! I just dropped some on the chook. Sorry, chook. This little black one, I don't know what it is. I don't know what either of those black ones are. Some of them I got from a laying hen place, and the other ones were kind of rescued, like this one. Look at that poor bottom. I think it's been pecked. Come on, Chook Chook. This one's on his perch. That's the old pipeline bed we cut in half, stuck up there. And this is the, I don't know whether you can see it. It's the birds, it's just a frame we have. Oh, hello, Chook. We put baskets in there, so you can just take them out to clean them really easy. This one's going to lay an egg. Not sure. Hey, Chook Chook. There's 12 of them now, and a magpie outside. They're still getting used to each other. They peck each other a little bit. The black ones seem to get picked on a fair bit. They're not doing too bad. They're getting a bit better. They're on the ground. Because it gets so wet here at the moment, that's just loosening hay. The chooks eat it as well. That's what's in their bed also. It's making a lot of noise. Nice window. And a roof. And because of the foxes, we've had to put a roof on top as well. Eating all the veggies. I need to put something over that bed because they slip a little bit. They love it, but it's a bit slippery for them. What a mess you guys made. Got a rotary hoe into this. This is the other side of the chook pen. It's going to be another veggie garden. It has to have fences around it, and we'll let the chooks in to clean up all the scraps and get rid of all the grass and stuff. Bit of a yuck day today. It's going to be 125-kilometre winds again this afternoon. Lots of rain. Again, I just wish it would stop raining. Don't pick on the black ones. The brown ones are Isla brown or something. I'm not sure what the black ones are. This is the pak choy, the big ones. They're all growing really well. And I think that's bok choy. Some chives and some parsley. Some weeds by the looks of it. More parsley. These are leeks. And some capsicums. I think these snakes are actually working, keeping the birds away, because I haven't seen any. And some peas up the back, they're going great. Hello, Mr. Owl. Lots of beetroot. And a pot full of golf balls. And cauliflower. I think this is cos lettuce, but that was transplanted from someone and it's not going too fast. Strawberries in a old bath. They're growing really well. The ocean today is pretty angry. Lots of clouds everywhere. Usually this water is crystal clear. You can see everything, but it's a bit gross today. The nice clouds coming. Hopefully the storm that's coming this afternoon might be downgraded. Who knows? I don't even think the weatherman knows these days. It's icy cold.